before we can decorate cookies, we need to make cookies. We need a canvas. And now I've got some sugar in my bowl. I'm adding some room temperature butter. To that, I'm adding a couple of eggs. Handheld mixer. Butter and eggs vary on occasion with regards to the amount of moisture. And so if you have a butter that maybe has less water in it, or eggs that are smaller, you're going to need less flour. So just instead of dumping it all in, save a little bit. I'm just putting that in here. You can see I've got some of it. I'm just going to hold back a decent amount. Now I'm going to mix all this in. Now a lot of recipes call for putting it in the fridge after. I do not do that. I roll it while it's room temperature. It saves my wrists. If I roll at room temperature, the dough is nice and pliable. This is how much flour I didn't put. We're going to move on to the rolling part. Every step ensures a pretty cookie canvas.